Just a quick video on how to check for EGR flow and for EGR cooler flow on a 6.7 Powerstroke. So what we're going to be doing here, that when we're looking at the scanner, I want to show you what's going on, is this is the EGR cooler bypass valve. So right now, this valve is in up position. We are in EGR cooler bypass, trucks at idle. No reason to have cooled EGR. When we want cooled EGR, it removes vacuum and goes down position. Now we have EGR cooler flow. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare the mass airflow reading from no cooler flow to cooler flow and look at the difference between the two of them. So we're looking at the scan tool right here, and you can see EGR is at about 10%. We're going to close it. So I close EGR, and it's reading 28 grams, 29 grams a second, which is normal. If I open up the EGR, most we can get it to is 50%. So we went from 29 and we're down to 12. If you can get like 50% reduction, you've got EGR flow, and because now we have unmeasured air entering the engine, right? It's not going through the mass airflow, it's coming through the EGR system. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to high idle, and then we're going to watch what this mass airflow sensor number is as I open and close the bypass. Alright, so here we are, high idle, closed EGR valve, 82 grams a second. I open up to 50, drops to about 55, and now what I'm going to do is go back and forth between cooled EGR and non-cooled EGR. Put this on a graph so you can watch it. So here we are, cooled EGR, 35, non-cooled EGR, oh, I'm sorry, I got that backwards, sorry. EGR cooler, 31 and a half. Bypass the cooler goes up by 1 gram a second. So that's telling me I got great EGR flow. So I'm going to go back and forth here. So bypass, cooler. Bypass, cooler. And you see it's barely any difference. Gram per second is all. And so anyway, no plugged EGR out of this, or no we plugged EGR cooler. So what we want to do again is less than 5 grams a second change when I'm at high idle and whether I'm going bypass, no bypass, bypass, no bypass. And again, while we do that, no more than 5 grams per second change on the mass airflow sensor. That's it.